how to create Instagram posts in Canva. So first go to Canva, and then there are two ways here that you can do this. First is you can just click on create here at the top left and then search for Instagram post. Okay. Now here you can just click on this or this. Yeah, just choose any of the sizes here, and then you can just start creating your Instagram post from scratch. But if you don't want to do that, you can just use templates here in Canva. So you can just click on templates here at the left side, then search for Instagram post, and then here you can see a lot of templates here that you can use. So just click on any one here that you like. So for example, I like this one. You can just click on that and then click on customize this template. Now here you can just change all of these things. Let's say you want to change the photo here, you can just change that, upload your photo here, and then you can just change the text here as well, resize them, change the font, however you want. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.